Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to Nerd Gadget. Today we're going to be talking about the iBlason Case Series lineup for the Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and then S24 Ultra. Now I'll be jumping right in right after this. Now before I forget, if you end up liking my content, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, as it truly helps the algorithm push my content out there. Also, if you want more content like this, consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe and notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. Alright, so we're going to look at the iBlason Armorbox case for the Galaxy S24. Let's go ahead and pop this open. Alright, remove all of this. Pop that open here. Go ahead and remove that. Peel this off. Get this off here. Alright, let's go ahead and drop that in there. Alright. And pop that in like this. Minus my fingerprints, but let's go ahead and get it in there. Alright, looking good. There you have it. Really nice. Alright. As you can see here, camera protection. And of course it serves as the kickstand. Alright. Let's see what else we got going on here. As you can see, there's a cutout for the camera on the front screen. Nice lip, and you have screen protection. Alright. Feels nice and comfortable to hold. Wireless, charging capable. Very nice color. And you can see the cutouts at the bottom. Let's pop this open here. Alright, cutouts, speaker cutouts. Got your buttons. Top cutout. Nice grip to it from the sides, as you can see here. Really nice. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Galaxy S24 Plus case. Alright, it's another Armorbox case. But this is for, again, the S24 Plus. Okay, get this over here. Pull this out. Get rid of this. Get rid of that. Alright, let's drop this in here. Pop it in the rear case, or rear part of the case. And we should be all set. Here we go. Alright, there it is. Same case as this one, but again for the S24 Plus. Alright, really nice. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the iBlason cases for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Alright, pop this one open. Alright, pop it open from here. Alright, let's get rid of that. Rid of that, and this as well. And drop this in here, just like so. And then drop it in here. Same cases, the other two, Armorbox case. So won't spend a whole lot of time on that, but at least you can see how it looks for the Ultra. Alright, really nice. Nice color too. Camera cutout for the front. Alright, camera protection, kickstand. Alright, and of course you have cutout for the S Pen. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the iBlason Cosmo Case Series for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Alright, take this one off as well. And there we go. Pop it in here. There we go. Really nice. Got the mag charger on the back, as all of these do. Alright, you can see that ring, so definitely wireless charging capable with these cases. Alright. Come over here. Camera protection. And again, kickstand. Alright. Full screen protection, camera cutout. Cutouts here. And nice lip for the front or the screen. Buttons here. Cutout for the S Pen, speaker, and then Type-C charge port, and then top cutout. It's really nice. Let's take a look at the last one. Pop it open here. Let's pull it from here. Pull this. Alright. Of course, let's go ahead and peel this. Take that off. Let's drop this in here. Alright. Let's drop this in here as well. Get rid of that. It's pretty cool design on the back. Nice cool design on the back. Look at that. It's dope. You know, something different. Got that as well. Again, MagSafe ring for wireless charging. Buttons here. Top cutout. S Pen cutout. Speaker cutout. And microphone cutout, and then you also have your Type-C charging port cutout. Alright, feeling really nice. Again, nice design on there, and something different. Alright, so there you have it. Now, if you're interested in any one of these cases for the Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, or the S24 Ultra, of course, there'll be a link posted in the description section of my video. And this completes my review of the iBlason Case Series lineup for the Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and then the S24 Ultra.